in the heart of a small town, where dreams often seemed too distant to touch, there was a boy who dared to dream differently. Jasprit Bumrah's story is one of incredible determination, unwavering self-belief, and a unique bowling action that defied convention. From the dusty streets of his hometown to the world stage, Bumrah's journey serves as a testament to the extraordinary heights that can be reached through hard work and resilience. In this captivating tale, we explore the life and career of a cricketer who not only broke boundaries with his actions, but also shattered the barriers of what one can achieve, reminding us that dreams, no matter how unconventional, are within reach for those who dare to chase them. This is the remarkable journey of Jasprit Bumrah, a cricketing sensation like no other. A humble beginning. In a small town in the western Indian state of Gujarat, Jasprit Bumrah was born into a simple family. His father, a schoolteacher, instilled the values of hard work and discipline in him from a young age. Jasprit's love for cricket bloomed as he played with his friends on the streets of his neighborhood. Despite limited resources, his family supported his passion. The tragic loss. At the tender age of 7, tragedy struck. Jasprit lost his father. This loss could have crushed his dreams, but it only fueled his determination to succeed. He knew that his father had been his biggest supporter, and the best way to honor his memory was by becoming a successful cricketer. The pain of this loss would later become the driving force behind his unrelenting pursuit of excellence. The unconventional action. From a young age, Jasprit developed an unorthodox bowling action. His arm whirled like a windmill, a sight that raised eyebrows among coaches and fellow players. While others doubted him, he didn't waver. He embraced his uniqueness and worked relentlessly to master his unconventional actions. Instead of conforming to traditional norms, he fine-tuned his action to generate pace, swing, and deadly Yorkers. This distinctiveness became his strength. The domestic grind. Bumrah's journey into professional cricket was far from the glitz and glamour of international stardom. He first played for the Gujarat under-19 team, and later graduated to the senior side. His performances in domestic cricket began to attract attention. Soon, he was picked up by the Mumbai Indians in the Indian Premier League, which proved to be a turning point in his career. But rather than resting on his laurels, he continued to play domestic cricket, tirelessly improving his skills, waiting for the opportunity to represent the Indian national team. The international debut, the moment every aspiring cricketer dreams of, finally arrived for Jasprit in January 2016. He received his maiden call-up to the Indian cricket team for a T20 match against Australia. The pressure was immense, but Bumrah's control, confidence, and unique action impressed not only his teammates but the entire cricketing world. He made an instant impact by taking 3 crucial wickets, showcasing his immense potential. The rise to stardom. From that point onward, Bumrah's career skyrocketed. He became India's premier fast bowler in all formats of the game. His ability to bowl deadly Yorkers and maintain remarkable control over his deliveries, especially in the death overs, set him apart. The international cricket community took notice. Bumrah's consistent performances, adaptability across various conditions, and competitiveness catapulted him to the summit of world cricket. He was not just good, he was the best. Overcoming adversities. Throughout his meteoric rise, Bumrah faced numerous challenges. Injuries occasionally sidelined him, and the expectations from fans and critics alike were towering. But in the face of adversity, he displayed remarkable resilience. Every setback only motivated him to work harder and emerge even stronger. He transformed his weaknesses into strengths, fine-tuned his skills, and became a more complete cricketer. A beacon of hope. Jasprit Bumrah's story serves as a beacon of hope, not only for aspiring cricketers but for anyone pursuing a dream. His journey from a small town with limited resources to international stardom is a testament to the power of self-belief, hard work, and unwavering determination. It shows that success is not determined by where you come from, but by the unwavering commitment to where you want to go. Jasprit Bumrah's extraordinary tale serves as an inspiration not only in cricket, but in any endeavor, proving that dreams are attainable with perseverance and self-belief. Bumrah's extraordinary journey is an inspiration to anyone chasing a dream. Not just in cricket, but in any field. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content on living beyond limits.